In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload videos to Spotify. You can now upload full-length video podcasts as well as short-form vertical clips. I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's give it a go. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to do is log into Spotify for Creators. If you have a podcast and it's listed on Spotify, you automatically have one of these accounts. Spotify for Creators used to be called Spotify for Podcasters. Then they rebranded in November of 2024, and that's when they added the ability to upload short-form vertical clips. First, you're going to log into your Spotify for Creators account. If you don't know how to log into this, try using the credentials that you've used to log into Spotify when you listen to music. That's what I used, and I was able to get access to that. So first, you're going to click on Home. You're going to see all your Spotify analytics, who's listening, who's streaming, where they're streaming, male, female, etc. And then to upload the videos, you're going to click on Episodes here on the left. Then you're going to go to the right here and click on these three dots. You can upload a clip. Very simple, guys. Select your file, upload it, include a description, and boom, it's really that simple. And in a moment here, I'm going to show you where these short form vertical clips show up because it's not on the desktop version of Spotify, which confused me a little bit at first because I was like, where are these? I was searching through all the shows I listened to, and I saw the full-length videos, but not the clips. So stand by one moment. Next, to upload full-length video podcasts, same process. Click on these three dots, hit upload video, select a file, and boom. Now, let me show you where the video podcasts, the full-length ones, end up. So you're going to go to Spotify. I clicked on Digital Creator. This is my buddy Dylan's show. I enjoy the show. And you can see here on the right-hand side, this is a video of one of his episodes. And to see if your favorite creator, podcaster has a video version of the show, very simple, guys. You can see right here, Make Podcasting Easy in 2025 with Eric Silver. It says it's got a video. Boom. Simple as that. Let's play it. All right. And it comes up right here on the right-hand side. That's if you're consuming, the full video version of the show. Now, I'm going to hop over to the app here and show you where the vertical clips are. And also, just so you know, it's my understanding that you can't watch the full video version on the app on your phone. You can only watch that version on the desktop version of Spotify. And then on the flip side, to see clips, you can't watch those on Spotify's desktop version. You can only watch the clips on the phone version. Showing that now. All right, guys. So here's where you find the short form vertical clips. Let's find an episode here. Boom. The gap between thinking and creating. And you'll see here on the middle left, there's a clip of this episode. Here's Dylan, and here's short form vertical clip. And so, I just wanted to point that out. If you're interested in taking advantage of the full-length video or video clips on Spotify, that's how you do it. Very simple, but maybe a little bit confusing. And also just to spread awareness, because I don't know how many people know about this. The clips, like I said, that's new. However, video podcasting has been available for a while. The other thing is, unless don't know what I'm talking about, and that could very well be possible, but I don't think there's a feed where you can just scroll and see all these video clips within the Spotify app as you would on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. Maybe that's coming. Maybe that's going to be a way that they promote videos on Spotify. But as far as I know, and I searched for it, I couldn't find anything like that. So if there is something and I'm unaware, leave a comment. Would love to know about it. If you're feeling this content, if you're liking my channel, loving my channel, would love for you to subscribe, hit that button. Want to keep sharing content creation tips and resources with you so that your content creation process can be smoother, more efficient, and so that you can grow as a creator. Once again, guys, I'm Eric. Keep listening, keep engaging, and keep creating. I'm out.